Hello everyone, Brian again, back here at Perino's garage. Okay, so I'm Perino and this is my garage. You guys get it. Anyway, not much over here. However, my way of doing things gets me back over to here. I did fix the lawnmower. That's another thing. But anyway, I started doing stuff. Look at my little light over here. So I was dropping the tailgate back here. I says, you know what? I'm getting tired of using the little tiny flicky thing to open my tailgate. Lo and behold, it just wasn't connected. So now, you really can't pull on that to get it over here. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it, but you're going to travel with me on this to see. First off, when you're doing something like this and you got those things that are broken, you need these little guys. Those little guys. I've already installed one on here. It's right there. Ooh, that's nasty looking. Okay, so we're going to be greasing these before we put these back in. However, I'm going to try to see how I'm going to get this back in. So you're along for the ride with me on this. I'm going to put my little light. Why is there a glare? Hold on. I fixed the glare. Or I don't. Unedited, unscripted. Still have a glare. Don't care. Okay. We're right here now. I did, shockingly, these unscrewed. So, look at that. Big time now. Oh. Magnetic bases. So, look at that. Isn't that amazing? I couldn't believe. I'm probably going to screw this up even more. Come on. It's really killing my wrist. No jokes, please. Let it be. Family channel. Oh, will this pull? No, hold on. Alright, as long as I can still grab it there. I don't want to drop it and just have it fall in there. Yeah, I don't know why they're like that. There's probably a way to work that even more. I might be able to get it now. Okay, so loosening that. I thought this was the anyway. Loosening that, give me the ability to pull that. So let's see. Hold on. Whew. Hey, that's kind of cool. I can move this thing around and everything. That's cool. Get some light on the subject here. Magnets. It's amazing. Things you learn in science. Pull that guy out some more. Let's see if I can hook that into here. Yeah, hold on. Hold on. Time out. All right. Don't want you to think I forgot the grease. That is some nasty looking. I mean, it moves really nice. It moved really nice before. But this thing here, then it would, you know, pull it like that and then disengage that. Is that the right way? That's the right way. Okay. Back to my little squatting chair. Excuse the heavy breathing. I'm pleasantly plump. So, can I move this? Can I get this up there anymore? Otherwise, it's going to be really short and it's going to be really silly if I don't get this fixed. This is how this is going to go. All right, this is how we're going. So, take your fat fingers like yo. I don't know, can I get this more? I need to be able to get this more. Oh. Edge of the garage, almost fell out. That would have been great for some type of a blooper reel. Oh, hang on. Also being careful not to break the other side. Well, that's not supposed to come all the way out like that. Where is it? Can it? Hold on. I may be doing something different. Okay, I heard my son walk out of the house. Hold on. Look, I got dirty. Careful not to break the other side. Oh, look, there's a plastic thingy on this. So, as this piece is come down completely, I'll be replacing both. If I can get it undone. Oh, please. There. No. You're not going to be able to see that. Sorry. I'm just gonna time out. All right. There goes my kid. He's leaving. I don't know where he's going. Maybe he'll bring me a coffee. What am I saying? He's like, oh shit. Squat. Squat. Cover your ears, children. It says so. Right in the thing. It's not for children. Where did my rod go? Again, not for children. Who stole the rod? Where's the rod? Oh, the rod's way over there. Again, fun with magnets. Magnet. And look, remains of dearly departed pieces. Okay. So it's easy as popping off that plastic. And again, Todd's now watching this going, you gotta be kidding me. I've been fighting with that thing all these years, and it was a little bitty plastic piece. So this guy, I'll go back in here, like, you know. Now, since I'm over there, and it's already out, I'm going to go over there and I'm going to replace the other one. This one's, oh my God, magnets, strong stuff. Anyway, yeah. I'm rolling, hold on. All right. So, back there, will flip, or am I upside down now? It will not flip like that. So, all right. Over here somewhere. Where's the other piece I took off? Which is right here. That little guy. It's actually a pretty strong one. I feel like it's dried out horribly. Anyway, when this lifts up, it's supposed to pull that and move that. That rod's still on. Let's Let's see, is there a way I can do this without revealing? I'm new, folks. Just bear with me a little bit. Will this move like this and like that? It will. It twill. Twilby. Learning today, folks. Everybody's learning. You got to learn something new every day. Look at that. This might work. Maybe. No, it's not going to work that way. All right, hold please. All right, did you know if you wait too long to do stuff, your camera just turns off? Where do you go to? You go over there? All right, so here's a little rod. It goes in here. Kind of, you know. Oh man, what did I do? Man, what a pain. Especially if you got big fingers. So that guy just goes, well, it doesn't just go. And then it clips. Look at that. Whew, it even worked. All right, we're going back top, well, inside. Tailgate down. Oh crap, we're upside down now. Hold on. Yay. Do the magic of no editing. What is that message? No, all right. Back to what we're doing. Okay, these are my pockets. This, screwdrivers, these guys, that wrench, that screwdriver. It's okay. We'll get there. Let me get back to my little stool. All right. Back over to here. Yeah, it's got a... The whole just got us. Ain't just gotten. But here we go. Gotta find... There they go. Look at that. I got it almost to the first try. Not every one of them is going to be some pretty nice Phillips headed screws. A lot of them are probably going to be bolts. Maybe not. I don't know. But if they are, they may or may not come out as easy as mine did. Or go back in. I'm kind of digging this little magnet thing. Okay, almost there. Screwdriver's over there. Okay, we got to move the film crew over here. By film crew, I mean me. And my little pod. Do I want to be fancy? I always want to be fancy. But I don't want the spotlight on me there. Ah. Yeah, that looks pretty good like that. Oh, it's bright. Hey, lenses are even on the right side. How about that? Okay, fancy flashlights don't stick very well to a Taiwanese bumper. Don't worry, I got a new one to put on. Well, new used. Everything that was new was basically the same thing. It just wasn't, I don't know. I'm out of breath. Hey, remember everybody, when you get old, try to stay slim. It helps. Look at this. Fancy stuff. I don't make too much noise. I do kind of get along with my neighbors. I think he subscribed to me. I'm not sure. He's been my neighbor for a while. I kind of like him. He didn't put up the fence. The jerk before him put up the fence. And then summer's filled with motorcycles and hot rods he didn't like. Along he moved, and then came this other nice fella. He's kind of a gardener. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But anyway. Oh, and the other guy on the other side, he's a pretty cool guy. All right. Dogs are barking. Let me relocate some tools. Remember, everybody, that's where they're at. Because I probably won't. That was awful loud. This side latched. Okay. It's for you, Todd. Look at that. So anyway, little clips and mention. These things are neat. I dig these little boxes, mini pack outs. I've got a bunch of these things on hand. Just because I like working on old things. But I got these on Amazon. I don't know. I'll find them. When I post a video, I'll put the link on it. All right. Okay, one last thing. Wait, let's do that one more time. Ready, Todd? Look at that guy go. Okay, signing off for now, everybody. We don't have to have all that. Signing off for now. Bye.